Welcome back to Financial Freedom FX. Today we're going deep into one of the most crucial smart money concepts in price action: break of structure versus change of character. If you've ever struggled to understand market structure shifts or trend reversals, this video will change the way you read a chart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to identify a base of structure, a change of character, and how to trade with institutional precision. Let's get into it. Before we define base of structure and change of character, you need to understand basic market structure. The market moves in waves, not randomly. In an uptrend, we form higher highs, HH, higher lows, HL. In a downtrend, we form lower lows, LL, lower highs, LH, HH and HL, a bullish structure, LL and LH, bearish structure. Structure gives us context. Are buyers in control? Are sellers dominating? If you misread structure, you're trading blind. Let's define the first key concept: break of structure, also known as base of structure. A break of structure happens when the market continues in the direction of the existing trend. In an uptrend, price creates higher high, pulls back to higher low, then breaks above the previous higher high. That new break confirms the trend is continuing. That's your bullish base of structure. In a downtrend, market makes a lower low, retraces to lower high, then breaks the previous lower low. That's a bearish base of structure, a continuation of the bearish move. Base of structure tells you that the trend is intact. It confirms strength in one direction. Now let's talk about the most powerful early reversal signal: change of character. While base of structure confirms the current trend, change of character signals a potential trend reversal. Here's how. In an uptrend, price creates higher high, higher low. Suddenly price fails to make a new higher high, then breaks the previous higher low. That break of the higher low signals a change of character. Buyers lost control. In a downtrend, market makes lower low, lower high. Suddenly price fails to break the lower low, then breaks the previous lower high. That break of lower high equals bullish change of character arrow, possible reversal to an uptrend. Change of character is the first clue that a major trend shift may be underway. It's used heavily in smart money concepts to catch early moves. Now let's compare both side by side. Break of structure follows the trend, confirms continuation, ideal for trend-following traders. Change of character breaks previous key level in opposite direction, signals reversal, ideal for early reversal entries or counter-trend setups. Here's a tip: base of structure, SARS, ride the wave; change of character, SAR, catch the turn. In smart money concepts, SMC, base of structure and change of character are used together. Let's look at a common pattern. Price is in a clear uptrend. You observe a base of structure, confirming the trend. Suddenly, the next move breaks the last higher low. That's a change of character. Now you start looking for liquidity grab order block entry model for reversal. You may see a change of character followed by market structure shift, internal base of structure within the opposite direction. Then a continuation in the new trend. Smart money traders wait for change of character, then look for confirmation to enter with institutional flow. Let's talk execution. If you see a base of structure, identify trend direction. Wait for price to retrace to an order block, FVG, or support zone. Enter with trend continuation, SL below previous, higher low, or above lower high. If you see a change of character, wait for market to break key level in the opposite direction. Look for confirmation candle or internal base of structure in the new direction. Entry at the first pullback SL below recent swing, don't rush. Structure comes before strategy. Read the market first. Let's wrap up. Base of structure confirms the trend. Change of character warns you of change. Smart money traders use both to map liquidity and structure. You don't need indicators, just a clean chart and the ability to read structure. Remember, never trade just because you see a change of character. Combine it with price action, market context, and confirmation. If you learned something powerful today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Financial Freedom FX. Comment below if you want live examples or backtest breakdowns in the next video. This is price action, the smart way. See you in the next lesson.